So hello friend, it's me Akash Saxena and you are watching the English journey from here. So as you know nowadays I'm learning English. I tell this line in every videos. Okay. So nowadays I'm learning English, you know very well. Okay. So now I'm struggling with English because my English is not good now. But I believed myself after some time I will speak very well, very good. Speak in front of any person, in front of any strangers, family, students, college. Okay, so but it's a struggling time. If I don't focus on this English, so I can't learn English. Okay, so I have to continue learn English. Okay, so I know in in the struggling time you get many distractions, many problems, but you don't think very bad. Okay, and you have to focus daily by daily speaking, learning and practicing. When you will do daily, then you get to new words, new sentences, new vocabularies. Okay, and your tongue, mouth and mind get sharp. Okay, gradually. And after that, when you will speak in front of any stranger, any person, then you don't take too much time for explaining your thoughts. You can explain easily. Okay, so when but in the beginning you can get more time to explain any things. Okay, if you understand this point, then you can learn English. Okay, so now I am in my room and here are some my neighbors and speaking. That's why I didn't shoot a perfect video of. Okay, here are many disturbance around me because in the day every time my neighbors speaking again, speaking in loud voice, and now it's time to night and they still speaking. And okay, so it's a very disturbing. So anyways, I don't care about that. Okay, but he's living here, so obviously he will talk each other and speak, so I can't stop him. I can't stop them. Okay, so it's not a big deal, it's a very common things. So where I am in my English. Okay, so just like I translate, I speak English in environment around me, around here and there. Okay, so you have to already say speak this. Okay, so it's your beginning. If you understand, then you can speak easily English. Okay, otherwise you can't learn English. Okay, I watch many videos on YouTube. There are many people say about your English ki if you want to learn English, then you have to daily practice. Okay, it's a very good things. If you not practice, then you can't learn English, you can't speak English. Okay, because everything want practice. Okay, if you are doing daily things, then you can do very better at that thing. Okay, otherwise you can't, you never. Okay, so it's a very simple thing. If you understand, then you can achieve your goals, achieve your dreams. Otherwise you never achieve it. Okay, so I will only say one thing: practice. You have to do many practice as you much. Sorry, I don't know what I have to say, but I what I am explaining, you got something. Okay, I know my English is not good, but I just trying, I just speaking, and now I am already practicing. Okay, so it's not a big deal, so don't judge me. Okay, it's a beginning, but I know after some time I will speak good. Okay, good. I will improve my level, English level. Okay, it's my beginning, it's my journey. So in the beginning, in the journey, every person get many failures. Okay, but many person get many person. Sorry, I don't know what I have to say, but I can that thing in English, but now I can't explain that thing which I am tell you in English. Okay, so it is a distraction. Okay, you have to overcome on this problem. So how you can overcome? From your practice. Okay, and after this video I stop this video and I translate in net in Google. Okay, and after that I will explain in next video, then I can explain easily. Okay, so it's a very best thing. So you also follow these things for your English. Okay, So I know in this video I speak many wrong sentences, wrong vocabularies, wrong verb, but it's a beginning, so you can understand. I already understand about it. Okay, if you are notice this little much things, so we can't learn English. Okay, we can't speak English. Okay, so we have to only focus on our practicing. Okay, so it's enough for today. We will meet tomorrow, we will meet next video. Okay, so you have to daily watch this video and other videos for your learning. Okay, bye, take care, keep doing, keep learning.